Hi, welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States. And it is definitely the biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States. You guys are all part of a great event today, and we can't be more happy to have you with us. And we have a lot of wonderful performances for you, and a lot of great activities, so be sure to check everything out. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is JC Chang. I'll be one of your MCs today. I am the Vice President of TAP Los Angeles. So I flew in all the way from Los Angeles just to be here because this is an incredible event, and we are going to have a really, really good time. I feel like no one's awake yet.
You don't think everyone's awake yet? Who's awake out there? Let me get a show of hands.
I'm awake.
You're awake? Yes, I like that. We see a couple up here that's awake. We could see more hands. Okay, well, hopefully we'll get you all properly awoken throughout the course of the program this morning. There's a lot of fantastic performances and, of course, amazing food. Actually, if you guys have one of these sheets over here that I have in my hand, it's actually a menu on the back, so you can get an idea of the fine food selection that we have here at the festival, and definitely make your selection, and then you can get in line and order.
Yeah, so be sure to grab a booklet over there, our info booth, manned by our awesome volunteer, and be sure to check everything out.
Cool. So JC, why don't you tell us a little bit more about yourself? You said you were with TAP LA, you're the vice president there. What is TAP all about?
Well, TAP is all about the promotion and preservation of Taiwanese American culture, and in addition to that, we're also a young professionals group. Our goal is to bring together the Taiwanese American community wherever we are. So here in San Francisco, there's a lot of great events that happen every single year, but later on, our president, Stephanie Sung, will tell you a little bit more about TAP.
Great. And so for those of you who don't know, my name is Stephanie Lin. I'm this year's Miss Asian America. I'm also the first Taiwanese American Miss Asian America, and I'm so proud to have had the support of the Taiwanese American community here to help me achieve this title, so thank you all so much. I'm actually also the former president of Taiwanese American Professionals, TAP SF, here in the Bay Area, and I've seen firsthand how hard the team here works to organize this incredible event. So just want to give a big hand to all of the volunteers who are out here today, and also a big thank you for coming out to celebrate Taiwanese American culture with us. So thank you. So we're just going to take a quick peek over there. Are our performers ready? Awesome. Okay. So this first act is actually one of my personal favorites, and I'm sure they'll be yours as well. They're the Three Princes Rock. We have them here at the festival with us every year. They're definitely a crowd pleaser, a crowd favorite. And a bit of background, so Three Princes Rock was rooted in the traditional Taiwanese cultural art form of daisen puppets, which represents the image of different gods. Now recently with the incorporation of EDM, how many EDM fans do we have out there? Bloom, Justin Bieber. Yeah, we got a fan over there. Awesome. So recently, with this, with the rising popularity of electronic dance music and hip hop elements, we've seen those fused together into this unique art form, and it's become a very popular subculture in Taiwanese society. And so, Three Princes Rock, they dance to this type of music, and they were also featured in the 2009 World Games in Kaohsiung, the 2009 Summer Deaf Olympics in Taipei, and the 2010 Expo in Shanghai. So let's give a warm round of applause to our first act, the Three Princes Rock. This quartet, they're getting their wardrobe ready and their music ready, but they'll be on very shortly. I promise you, you want to stick around for that performance. So we're actually going to toss it to our next performer. So JC, why don't you tell us a little bit about them?
Thanks, Stephanie. Our performers are the Sparc Quartet. The Sparc Quartet is organized by Dr. Yeaton Yan and Miss Lee. and they're a small group singing lover in the Bay Area. Dr. Yan is an amateur tenor, and he came from Taiwan. He received a degree from UCLA. He is not only a singer, but he's a physicist at the Stanford Linear Accelerator Center. In addition to academic education and research, he loves singing and likes to interpret singing in terms of physical mechanism similar to free electron lasers. The human vocal folds on air bunching for resonantly driving sound. Amplification correspond to magnet wigglers on relativistic electron bunching for driving X-ray amplification, except that human vocal sound amplification does not go through a double Doppler effect. In other words, that's how sound works. How about that? A physics lessons in the morning, huh? Yeah, that's gonna wake everybody up. All right, so he is going to be joined by Miss Lee, who also came from Taiwan and is an amateur soprano, and they have both frequently appeared in choir performances together and taken singing lead roles and performed solos. Together, they have joined nonprofit concerts in Taiwan and many home concerts in Dr. Yan's house, and they performed numerous duets for the entertainment for the community. Joining them in this festival for the performance will be two amateur altos, Kathy Yu and Ruth Luo, and an amateur baritone, Chi Xiang Cho. So we have some fantastic performances coming up, and they're getting ready right now.
So I've actually personally seen this group perform before, and as someone from the second gen community, seeing someone, you know, in the first gen community come out and really just showcase their passion for music, especially at their age, it's really moving and it's quite adorable actually. So it's hopefully you enjoy the performance as much as I did. And just a quick question for you, JC. When you were growing up, did your parents sign you up for any sort of musical type of extracurriculars?
No, that's a very painful spot, actually.
Oh, a sore spot? Yikes.
I wanted to be a music teacher, but my mom wasn't a typical Asian parent, so she did not sign me up for piano lessons. So life was very difficult, and I decided to do finance instead. So I could have been changing the lives just like Collins, but instead I am changing lives in other ways.
By investing in great companies?
I guess so, but you know, it's a way of investment. What about you? Did you learn any music?
Yeah, definitely. My parents definitely. My father actually very musical, and so both my parents encouraged me to participate in piano when I was very young. So I went through a whole slew of like very tough Russian instructors, went on the competitive track, eventually was able to become, I guess, grand champion of the state of California when I was like 13.
Wow.
But it was like really tough, right? Because as a kid you have to learn a lot of discipline, and you develop your willpower having to sit down and practice for like 2 hours a day, right? But now I'm actually very grateful to my parents for encouraging me to continue forward with my musical studies, because now I can read music and I can play a lot of different songs for fun, and it's just fantastic being able to, you know, be here today and listen to great musical performances and kind of understand the musicality and
Absolutely.
sort of the passion and the creativity that's involved in that. So yeah, that's my background.
Awesome. Actually, show of hands. How many of you in our audience have had some training in music, either in your youth or currently play music? Wow.
Just like 3 people? That's impossible. We're going to repeat the question. How many people of you out there know how to play a musical instrument? There we go. I see my dad up in the front. Of course you know how to play a musical instrument. How about you, the young lady in the back? What did you play? What did you play? Violin.
Violin.
That's awesome. How many people out there are violin players? Awesome. Of the people who are violin players, how many of you got into it because your parents made you? Okay.
Everyone should be raising their hand. Come on. There you go. Well, we definitely have very, very talented folks in our community, and we're very glad to be able to showcase many of our performances today. But we also want to showcase our culinary skills in the community. by all of our wonderful food vendors down there. If you guys will just follow my hand, look that way to your left. That's where you're going to find all our wonderful food items. And I think we're ready. Are we ready to begin?
Yeah, I think our next performers are all warmed up and ready to go. So let's go ahead and welcome them to the stage.
Sparc Quartet.
What we are going to sing is about Malan Girl. This is a native Taiwanese song, a kind of folk song. However, we don't know much about the native language, so I will just carry one sentence of native language and followed by Mandarin. This is the only Mandarin song. And the rest will be a kind of Taiwanese song. Okay, let's start. 爱的上挂一只鸦去吧，一只鸦去吧。 相芙蓉，啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦，在那上花一朵It's a famous Taiwanese song, 思慕的人。 我是那苏博的人。 苗》，这是一首用客语、哈卡来语唱的歌。OK， let's start. Small umbrella， 一只小雨伞，一支小雨伞。 的宝贝 ，It's our treasure。This is done by 陈明章词曲。那我自己呢，把它加上了2部，所以呢，这是一个合唱曲，我把它加上合唱。我们现在唱来看。在下一首歌呢是背对唔通饲金鱼 ，the drinking song, Taiwanese drinking song. Let's start. 背对唔通饲金鱼，好汉看北来相去，啊拼一步。 背对唔通饲金鱼，用到这就免惊死，情到意合上欢喜。背对唔通饲金鱼，朋友伫遐无议论，袂口要将伊在意，心情不准哪袂透。 背对空市游戏，无限花瓣来相见，拼一爽快马来。你。下一首歌真正唱出来，看阮的手 ，Holding my hand, it's a hard song in Taiwanese. 看阮的手，揽着手。看你的手，我的手，揽着小雨，看你的手，我的手，看你的手，我的手，看你的手。看你的手，揽着小雨。
Welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.